Yeah, some of my students have asked me, how can I make money with programming skill? After learning all these skills, how can I make money with it? That is what necessitated this video. Okay, how can you make money with programming skill? There are so many ways. Okay, so the number of ways is limited by how far you can think. Okay, because there are so many opportunities in programming. There are so many opportunities in programming. And let me list few ways. Number one way is to build useful application. Build something that people appreciate. Build an application to solve people's problem and market that application to them, to people that need it. They will pay. As long as it is solving their problem, they will pay. Okay, so find out the pain points of people, where people are struggling. Create application to solve that problem. Market that application to them. They will pay and you make money. That's number one way. Okay. So once you build a wonderful application and market it effectively to people, you are going to make money, and a lot of it too. And people can pay on subscription. They keep subscribing, as in they keep renewing their subscription as long as the app keeps helping them to solve problems. Number two ways to make money using programming is to teach programming. You can teach programming. Okay, just like I'm teaching programming, I'm making money with it. So you can teach programming, you can teach in schools, or you just have an online academy, or you have a physical academy. It depends on what you want and how you want to teach. They just teach programming. A lot of people are struggling with programming. They need a good teacher. So if you have that skill, that teaching skill, teach. Okay, when you teach and you are teaching well, you are helping a lot of people. It is going to connect you to people, a lot of people. It will connect you to opportunity, to connect you even to jobs, and you make even more money beyond teaching. So teaching is a wonderful avenue to make money in programming. You can even partner with schools and you teach a lot of people programming, because a lot of people are interested in programming. So it becomes easy for you to make money when you are teaching, because this is a field a lot of people are interested in. Okay, so teaching can actually generate money for you as a programmer. Another way to make money in programming is to write a book about some topics in programming. Okay, you can write a book that will answer some important questions in programming. Okay, or give people certain steps that will make programming easier for them. Okay, or just tell your experience in programming. Put in your idea. If you are creative, you can even write a story. Okay, with your programming skill, you write a story to simplify programming. You understand? Good. They make money with it. Okay, so writing a book can make money, or blogging about programming, as in blogging. I believe you know what blogging is. You create a blog, then writing articles and posting in that blog for people to come and read and gain knowledge. You can make money with it. Another way to make money in programming is through freelancing. Freelancing, as in working for people. People gives you a contract, you build. People gives you a job. Okay, give you a contract to build. You create applications for them, and you make money. Okay, you can register in different freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and many other freelancing platforms. You register if you want to be a freelancer, so that you make money in the comfort of your home while creating stuff for people using your programming skill. Okay, so being a freelancer is another avenue to make money, a lot of money as a programmer. Then you can also get a job. After learning programming skill, you can get a job as a programmer and make money. A lot of people are making a lot of money. Okay, a lot of money. People that are employed in big tech, they are making huge amount of money as employed, because they're employed. You get it. So you can, if you position yourself well, you can get a well-paid job as a programmer. But for you to get a well-paid job, you have to position yourself properly. You have to learn a skill and learn well. Then you have to build projects to show that you can do it. Okay, Then possibly you get some clients you've worked for to give you testimonial, good testimonials. Then maybe you keep making videos. You are making videos on YouTube. You also make videos on YouTube for people to get to know more about you, to know what you can do. If possible, if you have opportunity to speak in the public, to do. Okay, when you speak in the public, people get to know more and more about you, and they can recommend you to opportunities. And when your employer or your potential employer search for you online, they will see that you are already doing a lot of things, and they will have confidence in you. That way, it becomes easy for you to get employed. I hope that's clear. Another way to make money in programming is to start a company. So with your programming skill, then you can start a limited liability company. Okay, you sell shares, people will buy shares, then you start a company. Okay, so we start a company and people will bring projects for you to do for them, and you make money. Now you can also start an agency, okay, whereby you are partnering with other developers to make money together. You work on projects and make money together. Or you can even start outsourcing, right? But maybe when you have lots of work to handle, or you are becoming busier and busier, then what you do, what do? You outsource to other people. Okay, you get lots of projects and give it to other people to do. Then you earn from it as well. So this way, or even when you're not even a program, if you're not a programmer but you know little of ICT, you can position yourself and outsource to programmers to build for you. Just get the contract, outsource it to give it to programmers to build. When they build it, then you earn from it. A lot of people are doing it and they are making millions with it, and you can do it as well. Okay, this way you make money from programming or as a programmer, right? Then finally, consultancy. When people consult you, you can also make money. Maybe you are a programmer with hell of experience. You've been in programming for donkey years and you've garnered loads of experience. All right, then people will consult you for advice, for guidelines, and they will pay you a lot of money. There are many more ways to make money in programming. Just like I said before, it's limited to how far your mind can go. Okay, because once you come to programming, you see that it's actually a very lucrative field. It all depends on you, how far your mind can go, okay, and how far you are willing to go. Okay, that will determine how much you're going to make. I wish you luck.